I am Lauren Wolfhanger, and this is Standard 9.1. We have three objects, all with a mass and velocity. And we want to find out the five following things. First, we want to find the total momentum of the system. We know that momentum is equal to the mass times the velocity. So we have to multiply all the masses times each mass times each of the velocities and add those together. That gives us the total momentum. 2, we want to find the velocity of the center of mass of the system. We know that it's about equal to the total momentum divided by the total mass. So our total mass here, which mass 1, 3, 2 is 4, and 3 is 5, is 12. Divide the total momentum that we just found by 12. Then, to find the total kinetic energy of the system, we know that 1/2 mass times velocity squared gives us the kinetic energy, so multiply each of the mass times their velocity squared, add those together and multiply them by 1/2, and we get the total kinetic energy of the system, which here is 3,888 joules. Then we want to find the translational kinetic energy of the system. That is equal to 1/2 the total mass times the velocity of the center of mass squared. We already found the velocity of the center mass. Square that, multiply that by 12, which is our total mass here, and that by 1/2, and that gives us 3,750 joules. Then, in this case, finding the kinetic energy relative to the center of mass is easy because it is equal to the total kinetic energy minus the translational kinetic energy, both of which we have already found. So the kinetic energy relative to the center of mass is 138 joules.